The Portland Linux Unix Group, PLUG, is a group of Linux and open source enthusiasts in Portland, Oregon. The group was started in early 1994 as a venue to discuss and promote Linux and Unix and is one of the oldest Linux user groups in existence. PLUG is volunteer-run and does not have any formal criteria for membership. Its members considered these qualities to be key to the group's endurance. PLUG's activities include active mailing list discussions, a monthly general meeting on the first Thursday of the month, a monthly advanced topics meeting on the third Tuesday of the month, a monthly hands-on clinic on the third Sunday of the month, booth presentations at events around the region. External links: PLUG's homepage, Calligator, Portland's tech calendar,